Hey everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube class. Guys, I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. This is another session of Office 365, and in this session, I'm going to help you to understand about Archive Mailbox, and also we'll discuss about the procedure to configure and activate Archive Mailbox for selected Office 365 user. So let's start, but before that, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, so please do subscribe Teach Me Cloud, because the Teach Me Cloud is a single technical training based YouTube channel that give you 100% live practical based video without skipping any step. So first of all, the agenda are, first of all, we'll discuss about what is Archive Mailbox, right? So we should know about, as a Office 365 engineer or as a Office 365 administrator, it's our responsibility. We should know about the concept, right? Second important, prerequisites. The important point is prerequisite to configure Archive Mailbox. And last, we'll discuss about the procedure, step by step procedure to configure Archive Mailbox. And number 4, result, right? Once you configure the archive mailbox, once you activate the archive mailbox for any selected user, it's our responsibility. We should know about how we can use it in our real environment. So these all are the points that we need to cover in this class. So stay tuned. So let's start with step 1. What is Archive Mailbox? So let me explain you about the actual usage of Archive Mailbox. Guys, you know that whenever we activate license for any Office 365 user, according to the license, we are able to store our data in inbox, maybe started from 2 gig or maybe 10 gig or 5 gig or 4 gig. According to the license, we are able to store the documents or store the messages in inbox. So basically, the archive mailbox, as per the name suggests, those mails are messages you don't want to put it into the inbox, but you don't want to delete also, right? So you don't want to delete it and you don't want to put it into the inbox, because once you put your message or document in inbox, definitely it will consume the space from your inbox, right? So these types of message you can forward, you can just transfer the location and put it into the archive mailbox. In other words, you can say that the usage of archive mailbox help us to save the space in our inbox, because you know that in Office 365 portal we are able to create multiple types of mailboxes, like as a primary email box. Second, you can say that share mailbox that you can create for multiple users, and we have a archive mailbox. So archive mailbox can provide you option to put up to 100 gig of data in archive mailbox, and basically it is used to save the messages, those messages you don't want to put into the inbox. So this is the actual meaning of archive mailbox. And prerequisites, so definitely if you have a free trial account, or if you have a E3 license, E5 license, or F3 license, so it's mandatory to activate you, it's mandatory to purchase at least one license to configure the archive mailbox. Number 3, procedure to create or activate the archive mailbox. So I'm going to show you the proper step how to enable the archive mailbox for any Office 365 user, and after that I'll show you the result, how we can transfer the data, how we can transfer the messages from inbox to archive email box, right? So let me open my free trial account. So you just need to open any browser and log in your Office 365 account. Like in my case, I created a free trial account using my Gmail account. So I'm just going to open it. So we have already discussed about without the credit or debit card, we are able to create we are able to purchase a free trial account from Office 365 portal. No need to use any kind of credit or debit card, right? So I hope you go through the videos that I created for Office 365 free trial license. Now we are on page of our Office 365 admin center. So what you need to do to activate our archive mailbox, what you need to do, first of all, just need to open admin center, and number of users are available. So just need to click on active users. So in my case, I have already created multiple users, like as a you can say that AWS, Azure, GCP, multiple users are available. So I'm just going to activate the license. I'm just going to activate the archive mailbox for our Azure user. Okay. So to activate the archive mailbox, what you need to do, just need to click on apps location, and then admin center. Sorry, still we are on page of admin center. So we just need to open admin center. So all, and we must need to click on Exchange Admin Center, because the archive option available in our Exchange Admin Center. Select. We have already decided we will activate or enable archive mailbox for Azure user, right? So in our admin center, we have already decided we will activate the archive mailbox for Azure. In the admin center, we are able to find a number of options are available. So in our Exchange admin center, we just need to click on recipient. Under the recipient, the first option is mailboxes, and in the mailboxes, it will give you the complete information about your active user. So just need to click your user. Like I wanted to activate for Azure, select your user, click others. Under the others, we are able to find one option, mailbox archive. We just need to click on manage mailbox archive. By default is turned off. It's our responsibility to turn on it. I'm just going to turn on it. It will take maybe 5 to 7 minutes to activate the archive mailbox for selected user. I'm just going to click turn on and save it. This is the first step that you need to activate, and for the verification, we just need to move ourselves to our compliance center. We just activate it, back it, and again back to the admin center. Under the admin center, we are able to find one option, compliance, right? Just need to click compliance. It will redirect you on another page. This is admins and Office 365 compliance center. Skip setup, because I don't want to configure multi-factor authenticator now. This is the panel. Actually, you know that in case of Office 365 or any cloud provider, they change the portal immediately within 1 month, within 2 months, 3 months. You will get lots of options over Office 365 or any cloud provider's platform. And we just need to click on data lifecycle management. Yes, lots of changes over Office 365. To activate and see the status of our archive mailboxes, just need to click on data lifecycle management. Under the data lifecycle management, we are able to find Exchange legacy, means old version, and Microsoft 365. I'm just going to click on Microsoft 365. Under the Microsoft 365 option, we are able to find archive. Just need to click here, and it will give you the option. We successfully activated the archive mailbox for Azure user. See this, it's activated, and for AWS is disabled, for Telnet disabled, but for Azure we just activated. Everything is okay. Let me show you how you can transfer the mailboxes from inbox to archive mailbox. Select. I'm just going to log in it in incognito wizard. Because we need to open Outlook, open incognito, Office 365, office.com. Let me copy the username and password. This is our email. azure@rtbd886.onmicrosoft.com. Okay. Okay, sorry, I just need to reset the password because I forgot my password, user password. So open admin center, active user, and select Azure and reset the password. Okay, let me sign in because I wanted to show you the option how you can use Archive Mailbox in our Office 365 user. It is in progress, just wait. Sorry, it's mandatory to activate the multi-factor authentication. So give me 1 minute, let me activate the MFA. Double 56497. Okay, done. We successfully log in our Azure user, which is Office 365. We have already assigned the license and also created the mailbox, Archive Mailbox. So what you need to do, open Outlook, and under the Outlook, we are able to find one more option, which is in place archive, right? If you click here, it will give you the default folder with name of archive, I think. Yes, with name of archive. And if you want to create your own folder, so you just need to right click here and it will give you option. Just need to click here, right click, and create new subfolder. So save message. Okay, you can just create by using any name. So I'm just going to create a name, one folder with name of save message, and select your inbox. I wanted to transfer the inbox message to archive. Select any message, like right click on the message, it gives us option of move. Under the move, we are able to find archive, and one more option, it's place, in place archive Azure. Select your message, select your folder that you created, and that's it. And if you check, if you want to verify your message moved or not, so we are able to find our message successfully moved to the archive folder. So guys, this is all about Archive Mailbox. I hope all of you understand about the concept of Archive Mailboxes. If you have any question or doubt, please let me know. Drop a comment. Definitely will read your comment and give you a proper solution. And do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.